How to fix Apple Music not working. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, you can open the option of Wi-Fi. Now click on the Wi-Fi you are connected to. Click on Forget this network. Now give a fresh restart to your router. Once you do that, rejoin your Wi-Fi and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, in the case you are using mobile data, open this option of mobile service. Click on the option of mobile data options. Make sure you have toggle off for the option of low data mode. Likewise, open this option voice and data. Check in for the option of 4G or 5G. Hit back. Open the option network selection. Toggle on for the option automatic. After you check these settings, you can switch the network. In the case you are using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular data, and if you are using cellular data, switch to Wi-Fi. Now you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, close this, open your App Store. Now search for Apple Music. After it appears, if you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update your Apple Music to its latest version. Likewise, now you have to check the subscription. Open your settings. Click on your Apple ID. Head towards the option of subscriptions. Now check the subscription for Apple Music, if it is valid or not. Once you check this, head back. Scroll down, go to the option General. Now head towards the option of iPhone storage. From here, find the app Apple Music. Once you find it, open it. Click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Now click on Reinstall app. Likewise, heading towards next solution, go to the main page of settings. Open the option General. Open the option Software Update. If any updates are available, just update your phone software to its latest version. Now lastly, you can give a fresh restart to your device. With that, your problem will be fixed. Applying all these solutions, your problem is definitely going to be fixed. So this is how you can fix Apple Music not working. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.